Hello guys, for today's videos, magluluto ako ng adobong puset. This is seafoods. Yan. Ayan, lalagyan ko na siya ng vinegar. Yes. Add of soy. Yes. Mikos-mikos mo na yan. And that's all. Did you see it? Wow. This is adobong puset. Is adobong puset.